Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today we are going to discuss chapter 7, which is congruency of triangles. So for that, first I started with the definition of congruent triangles. Two triangles are congruent if and only if one of them can be made to superpose on the other so as to cover it exactly. You can see here I have made two triangles ABC and DEF. If I am selecting one triangle and I am trying to superpose on the other, you can see they are not overlapping each other. It shows that they are not congruent. But if both the triangles are superposing each other, then they are said to be congruent. So, for making two triangles congruent, there are few congruency criteria for congruency of triangle, in which the first is SAS criteria for congruence of triangle. If two triangles have two sides and the included angle of one is equal to the corresponding sides and the included angle of the other, then the triangles are congruent. For this, see here one example. Here I have taken two triangles ABC and the other triangle DEF. So if AB is equal to DE and AC is equal to DF, you can see the angle between AB and AC is angle A and the angle between ED and DF is angle D. If in any two triangle, in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, if AB is equal to DE, AC is equal to DF and angle A is equal to angle D, then we say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by SAS. In this side is equal to this side AC is equal to DF and the angle A is equal to angle D. You can see angle A is the angle made by the sides AB and AC and angle D is the angle made by the sides DE and DF. So this is SAS congruency criteria, in which the angle between the side should be equal. And once two triangles are congruent, we can apply CPCT. CPCT means corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So once two triangles are congruent, we can apply CPCT. According to this, AB will be equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and AC will be equal to DF. Angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. Now come to the ASA criteria for congruency of triangle. According to this, if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to the corresponding two angles and the included side of the other triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. You can see here I have made triangle DEF and PQR. Let us suppose if angle D is equal to angle P, angle E is equal to angle Q and angle sides DE is equal to side PQ, then these two triangles are said to be congruent by ASA congruency criteria. We will write in triangle DEF and triangle PQR, angle D is equal to angle P and angle E is equal to angle Q. You can see because of this D and E, common side is DE. angle P and angle Q, common side is PQ. If it is happening, we are saying triangle DEF congruent to triangle PQR by ASA. Two angles and the side is included. So these two triangles are congruent. Now we can apply by CPCT. If we will apply CPCT, corresponding of part of congruent triangle means DE should be equal to PQ. DE should be equal to PQ. EF should be equal to QR. EF will be equal to QR. DF is equal to PR. DF is equal to PR. Angle D will be equal to angle P. Angle D will be equal to angle P. Angle E will be equal to angle Q. And angle F is equal to angle R. Angle F is equal to angle R. So this way, if any two triangle is congruent by ASA, we can apply CPCT and we can make each angle and each side corresponding equal to the each angle and each side of another triangle. Now let us discuss SSS congruency criteria of the triangles. According to this, if the three sides of one triangle are equal to the corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. Here I have taken two triangles ABC and DEF. According to this, if AB is equal to DE, if AB is equal to DE, BC is equal to EF and AC is equal to DF. AC is equal to DF. You can see all the three sides of this triangle is equal to all the three sides of this triangle. So we can say that triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF by SSS congruency criteria. Then after proving these two triangles congruent, we can apply CPCT. You can see sides are already equal. Now we can make angles equal according to CPCT. So angle A will be equal to angle D. Angle A is equal to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle E. And angle C will be equal to angle F. So after proving triangles congruent, we can apply CPCT to make other parts equal. Now students, we will discuss RHS criteria for congruence of right triangle. This is applicable only in right triangles, no other triangle. This means in any other triangle we cannot apply RHS congruency criteria. According to this, two right angle triangle are congruent if one side and the hypotenuse of one are respectively equal to the corresponding side and hypotenuse of the other. So if you can see here, I am taking two triangles PQR and ABC. If in any triangle one angle is 90 degree, you know a triangle is said to be right angle triangle if one angle is 90 degree. You can see hypotenuse is the side which is opposite to right angle. So similarly in triangle PQR, 90 degree is angle Q, so its opposite side is PR. So PR will be hypotenuse, and in triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, so AC is hypotenuse. So if it happens that in any two triangle hypotenuse is equal, means PR is equal to AC, one angle is 90 degree and any one side, let us suppose PQ is equal to AB. So if hypotenuse is equal, one angle is 90 degree and any one side is equal, then we say triangle PQR is congruent to triangle ABC by RHS congruency criteria. Now we can apply CPCT. CPCT full form is corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So once it is equal, we can write angle P will also be equal to angle A. Angle Q is already we have seen, this is equal. Angle R will be equal to angle C. Now we can write the first two. First two, you make prayer like this. First two is PQ is equal to first two is AB. Last two QR is equal to BC. And first and last PR will be equal to AC. Now students, we will move to another congruency criteria, AAS, criteria for congruency of triangle. If two angles in any side of a triangle are equal to the corresponding angle and the sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. According to this, if we will take two triangles, ABC and DEF, if any two angles of this triangle is equal to the two angles of another triangle, and if any side is equal, suppose AB is equal to DE, this is not the included side, then also these two triangles are congruent. We can write in triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle B is equal to angle E, angle C is equal to angle F, and AB is equal to DE. You can see two angles are equal. This angle is equal to this angle is equal to this, and AB is equal to D. One side is equal. So we can write triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by AAS. Any two angle and one side should be equal. Now we can apply CPCT. Now student, I am going to discuss a question of exercise 7.1, which is question number 1, just to tell you that how we can apply congruency conditions of triangle in any question. So here this diagram is given to you, in which a quadrilateral ABCD is made. You can see the quadrilateral ABCD is divided into two triangles because of the diagonal AB. You can see the two triangles are ACB and ADB, in which AC is equal to AD. You can see AC is equal to AD, and AB bisects angle A. This means this angle and this two angle are equal, both are A by 2. We have to prove that triangle ABC congruent to triangle ABD. So what can you say about BC and BD? This is also asked in the question. So for that, I have chosen both the triangle and we will prove them congruent. See triangle ABC and triangle ABD. AC is equal to AD. This is given in the question. CAB is equal to DAB, because AB bisects angle A and AB is the common side for both the triangles. So we can say ABC is congruent to triangle ABD by the congruency SAS. Look at this. In triangle ACB, if I will make both the triangles separately, you can see this is triangle A, this is triangle ACB, and this is triangle ADB. This angle is equal to this angle. AC is equal to AB and AB common. So you can see these two triangles are congruent by SAS. So these two triangles are congruent, and if these two triangles are congruent, by CPCT we can say that BC will also be equal to BD. So student, your homework is exercise 9A, question number 1 to 10 of RS Agrawal book. You will try to solve all the questions from 1 to 10. If any doubt is there, you can ask me in the message section. So all the best.